Welcome friends, welcome to online learning box. Once again I'm Karthik here. So this is a tutorial about the perspectives. So you can clearly see the line running, and here I'm going to teach you how to design or how to make your perspective to be perfect. Okay, so here you can see this is actually I'm getting here a point. So this one. Okay, now if you are doing with the brush to keep selected off, so now you can clearly see this is our perspective view. So here if you draw a box, or if you draw box like this, a rectangle, a triangle, if you draw like this, you can clearly see the lights the light is come from this side, okay, this side. So uh, I'm deleting all of this stuff, so you can clearly understand this, what I'm going to share, what I'm going to say here. So I'm going to uh, take a new layer here and lock this uh, additional layers. Okay, uh, so now get to the point. So here if you put a point, so and put a point here. Now if you draw like this, draw a line. Okay, okay, okay. Now you can clearly see this is our perspective. Okay, and light came here, light came from this side. Okay, so it is clearly visible that light is from here. Now I'm deleting all of this stuff. So it is a rough drawing. If you draw boxes, so first of all your first duty to draw some boxes. Okay, and it will help you to draw better and better. Okay, so you can see this is a nice box, and if I fill this box, if I fill this box and opacity down, something like that, so you can clearly see this is a box. Actually, if you can draw boxes better, you can draw better. um, so that is my point of view. So actually what we need to do, draw a box. Now see, if you want to draw like this, draw a box. Now this is a actually box. Okay, this is actually box. Okay, this is a geometric style. uh, this is actually box. This is actually also a box. Okay, this also a box like this. This is also a box like this. Okay, now for the head portion, you have to draw a box, so you can understand the perspective. The main point, need to know the perspective. So here this is two leg. Okay, and this two leg. Now I'm going to change the color, better to understand, you can understand better here. So here, so this is the point for this leg, this one, and this point for this one, so you can understand. And this point, for this point, this is a body point. Okay, now if you draw some boxes here, and this is a nice for this here, and if you draw like this, you can clearly understand the perspectives. Okay, perspective, nothing but a illusions of eye. Okay, illusions of eye. Now you can mentally understand what I'm doing here. So okay, now this is a for uh, lines here portions, and this is a red portion, and this one and this one. Okay, so you can understand, uh, just watch my uh, drawing style, what I'm doing here. Okay, so this is, if I off all of these things, you can clearly understand this abstract artwork is created from this. Okay, and abstract artwork is starting from this. Abstract is nothing but a illusions before creations. In my point of view, abstract it like that before creations. You can clearly understand that this is a fold leg. Okay, this is fold leg. It is not here. This is a fold leg, and you can clearly understand perspective. Okay, so abstract is before creations, before making something, making giving the figure of something. You can draw like this, and it is clearly denoting the abstract mind of inner mind of your artwork. Okay, of you, what you want to draw. So it's a not a child play. Abstract is a very deep sense. Okay, so I'm deleting all of these things. So okay, now nice. uh, so keep practicing, and draw just boxes with boxes like this, boxes. Okay, draw boxes, and just try to understand what is perspective. Okay, draw like this, and it should not be very clear boxes. Just try to draw like this. Okay, uh, and later on you will be expert. Okay, this is for the upper head. If you want to draw just roaring of line. Okay, so at this time, this perspective or this type of drawing will help you. Okay, now this is, and this one, this one, this one. Okay, like this. So this one also, this one also, this one. So if you want to download this one for better understand of perspective, you can download the descriptions below. Link, I will give you a link and descriptions below. You can click on this link and download. This is stuff for betterly understand the perspective. Okay, thank you very much for this watching for this short video, and stay with me and give me inspirations. If you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you very much once again. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.